Nvidia manufactures high-performance chips for gaming, artificial intelligence, AI, deep learning and autonomous vehicles.
So that's a huge sort of logic leap. We've gone from one to the other. But Nvidia is relevant because one of the things that's also true, particularly of males in the millennial category, is they spend an enormous, I'm telling you, enormous time gaming. Single people, shooter games, online, talking with their friends, gaming in the basement of the parents' house, gaming.
This is obviously something that's happening with your children in the basement.
Correct. So it's enormous. And the in-game purchases are what it's all about. And Nvidia is the best way to invest in the gaming trend because they manufacture the chips that go into the computers that the kids use to game.
Market cap, $80.7 billion, a PE ratio of 45. It pays a dividend of 0.4%. Rowan, there's the share price graph and a little more reasonable.
You can hardly see it, but on the far right of that, it went up like a solid 20% 3 or 4 days ago.
Yeah, so on that, they came with their first quarter results, and there was already high expectations, but they managed to beat those expectations considerably, and hence what you saw was an automatic sort of price adjustment. I think the real sort of X factor to this, beyond the core part of their business, graphics, chips and gaming, is that now these very clever chips are being adopted in 3 key areas: machine learning, AI, and autonomous driving vehicles. And that really is considered the massive growth area. So we're seeing a lot of requirement for computing power data centers as well, and really their chips are very well suited to that, and hence the excitement around the stock.
Paul?
Yep.
Are you steeped in this one, given your sons?
Yes, well, we've been, interestingly, my one son was the first to buy some in his portfolio because he was buying the GeoForce chips for his gaming setup. We then started looking at the company more closely. It's a big one, and we then started accumulating it for clients. This more recent stuff about data centers, deep learning, and all the other stuff is an interesting add-on because it became apparent, as Rowan said, that these chips, because they've got a high sort of ability, they've got like 24 billion transistors on each chip and all that. They are the go-to for these high computer intensity applications like we're referring to. So that's become another whole add-on to what was already an exciting story because of the gaming.
Nvidia, in terms of personal investments?
Yeah, nothing at the moment. I mean, but I agree that they're really very well placed because they've got a great core business, and then almost the potential to double or even triple the business with these new applications.
And we are talking about an $80 billion market cap here. This is a significant business.
Absolutely, and very highly rated. But you saw even a small beat on, a beat on earnings, a significant increase in share price.
We'll have to have another show sometime to talk about the semiconductor stocks because, of course, Intel is the old granddad of them, and then there have been lots of others, and some of them make chips for the iPhones and all that sort of thing, but this one is very exciting. I think it's hot as can be,
Hot.